4DRC V48 Dinosaurs RC Plane, roaring fun in the sky. Unleash prehistoric excitement with the 4DRC V48 Dinosaurs RC Plane. This uniquely designed remote control airplane features a fun and eye-catching dinosaur model, making it an instant hit with kids and dinosaur enthusiasts of all ages. Its small size, lightweight construction, and durable EPP foam make it perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Key features: exciting dinosaur design, stand out from the crowd with the V48's adorable and attention-grabbing dinosaur model, sparking imagination and adding a playful touch to every flight. Ultra-tough EPP foam construction, crafted from flexible and ultra-tough EPP special foam and plastics material, this airplane is highly resistant to crashes and impacts, ensuring long-lasting fun. Beginner-friendly flight, designed for ease of use, even first-time pilots can take to the skies with confidence. Its stable flight characteristics make learning to fly a breeze. Powerful motor for easy takeoff, the robust motor provides ample power for effortless takeoffs from the ground, getting you airborne quickly. 2.4 GHz for CH control, enjoy precise and responsive control with the 2.4 GHz for channel system, allowing for 4-directional flight, forward, backward, left turn, right turn, as well as ascending and descending. Obstacle avoidance, integrated obstacle avoidance technology helps prevent collisions, making it easier and safer to fly, especially for beginners. Lightweight and portable, its small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and transport to parks, backyards, or any open space. Specifications: name, remote control aircraft. Model, 4DRC V48. Design, dinosaur. Color, blue or red. Material, durable EPP plus plastics. Remote control, 2.4 G2CH. Flight time, about 10 to 15 minutes. Charging time, about 50 to 60 minutes. Remote control distance, about 300 meters. Dimensions, 27 by 22 by 6 centimeters. Functions: forward, backward, left turn, right turn, ascend, descend, obstacle avoidance. Benefits: unique and fun design, the dinosaur model makes flying extra exciting for kids. Durable and crash-resistant, EPP foam construction ensures long-lasting play. Easy to fly for beginners, simple controls and stable flight characteristics. Powerful performance, motor allows for easy takeoff. Long control range, enjoy flights up to 300 meters away. Enhanced safety, obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes. Overall, the 4DRC V48 Dinosaurs RC Plane is a fantastic choice for kids and anyone looking for a fun, durable, and easy-to-fly remote control airplane. Its unique dinosaur design, robust construction, and beginner-friendly controls guarantee hours of roaring fun in the sky.